Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to set up the rain theme and install a demo site. So you will need to get the rain theme from Wbcom design's website, and after purchasing it you will get the latest theme file from the download section. Get the file, zip file, and here is a local setup I have created, local site. So you will need a fresh new WordPress installation, or you can also apply on the current website. But to make sure that your setup is compatible with latest theme, please reach out to our support first. So let's start. Like I have already downloaded a rain theme file. I will simply go to add theme, upload the zip file I have there. Install. In the latest version we have provided a much more features and also make all the process smooth to create the fresh new site. After installing the theme and activating, you have all these options. You can do a fresh start from scratch, setting up your logo, typography and everything. But today I'm going to show you how you can set up a demo website and then make changes as per your requirement. You can use any page builder with our theme. Like the most popular on Elementor, we have more setup there. And in the install plugin you can see we are offering Wbcom Essential, which actually provide you some of the pre-built Elementor templates. If you are going to choose Elementor as your page builder for rest of the pages of the community, like our theme basically provide a professional layout of all the community pages which you are going to have on your site, and for rest of the pages you can use any page builder, or you can simply follow the default theme structure. So we have theme installer ready, and let's check. Like this is the first demo. I think we can import. Simply hit import, and we are going to install all the required plugins for this demo website. This demo website is built using Elementor and our add-on and the BuddyBoss platform, which is a fork of BuddyPress. So works exactly like BuddyPress for us. Okay, and some of the free add-ons are included in them. So it's better to start with this. This is also a free plugin, and if for the shop support we are showing in this demo site, there is a WooCommerce support there. We are going to install all the plugins one by one. It takes some time, but we can have to make the patience and follow the step. So the WordPress community plugin, which is BuddyPress, and the fork is offered by BuddyBoss platform. And after demo import, we will check all the profile pages, activity stream, how the community features are going to look on the website. So all our plugins are activated. We have to simply right now we have to refresh that so we can make sure all the plugins are installed, and we will get an option to start import button here. Okay, this is WooCommerce pop-up. So what we can do is we can go back and skip that, and now you can see we have the go to the demo installation option, and simply hit install. And demo import we recommend on the fresh new installation, so that actually it will wipe up all the things on the website. So it makes sure backup your content if you have anything there. And this demo import is not compatible with multi-site installation. Okay, as I told you, it will take some time, and that depend on many things like your connection and your server, but it will work smoothly. It actually saves a lot of your time, as like to create the sample home page and other pages. So it's better to always, if you have a fresh new solution, it's better to start with an import, so that you just have to make changes here and there on the site, and everything as per your brand you can customize in the theme options. Theme offers you branding options. Meanwhile, we can have a look of all the features it's offering. So the theme offers all these pages, a professional layout, all these elements there, and also support the forum feature, forum layout, private message section, much improved one. And if you are going to plan a event in your feature in the site, like using the event calendar plugin, you can simply use that. And also support the gamification plugins. All these three plugins we actually support, and our theme include the reactions and the social share plugin also. And if you want to further monetize with the help of membership, we recommend PM Pro or MemberPress, and use any plugin. And you can also monetize your community with paid membership, so that people can pay and then become the member of the community. If you want to sell courses, you will need like these any of these LMS plugins, so you can use simply with our theme. Okay, choose any LMS and just install the plugin and start using on your website. For product and services, we are going to show in this demo. Yes, there is support for WooCommerce, and even extend for the multi-vendor plugin like Dukan, WC Vendor, WCFM. Whatever plugin you are going to choose, the theme have the inbuilt support for that. For the job portal community, WP Job Manager plugin is there, and the theme have support for that also. And for business directory, there is a geo directory plugin, the most popular one. We have included support in our theme, so it's as per your requirement. You can choose which kind of foundation you are going to have your site, and with the respective plugin you will not need to change your theme. So this is highly flexible theme. In terms of your future plans, you can also proceed with this. And for the branding options, as you see, we are providing the demo import, branding option, all the color schemes, different header layouts, multiple header layout, login and pop-up options. Okay, the login option with a pop-up form and the styling option of the login page, and the mobile viewing option, and the left panel viewing option, and support for the dark mode, a switch to enable dark mode on the site, and some extra widgets dedicated to the community section, which you can apply on anywhere on the website sidebar, different layout option, and support for mostly all the page builders. And like we include support for the most popular or commonly used one further, which is the Elementor one. And there's a lot more you can do, like for the blog section we have the multiple blog layouts and all. And to further enhance the community, we have created a lot of add-ons, and which you can apply time to time on your website, so that your community members also get something new, like the list feature is there, reaction is there. Or you can apply all at once and sell as a complete package to your customers. it as per your requirement. You can choose which add-ons or the feature you want to further enhance in your community. Let's take a look of the installation. So this is complete and our site is live there, with all the demo content. Okay, so this is the side panel where you can set up these menus also. You have these menus also. Okay, and these are the community pages. You can check all the layout the theme is offering. These icons for the card and for private messaging feature, for any community notifications. And this is the profile page, the header and the timeline, a personal timeline. So you can also test the plugin and check all the features by yourself. Okay, so this is the activity stream. You can try and test anything there, like all these media. If you want to post, you can post on your site. So create your own demo site and make changes and test your setup. For any questions, you can get back to us via our support channel. We have support page there. From support you can contact us. Have a great day.